about to open my Slashare box. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, individually packaged. How nice. We have 6 individually packaged t-shirts. Let's see how they look. Oh, yoga theme. Super cute. Oh, these feel really soft too. It's nice and bright. I like that. Oh, these are going to be perfect to share with my yoga friends. How adorable is that? I guess you could keep them all yourself, but it seems like a lot of fun to have this box of goodies to share. Super, super cute. Ooh, all right, this might be my favorite so far. Spiritual-ish, yeah. That sounds about right. These look so nice. I can't wait to share with my friends. One more. I think they will like them as much as I do, and they can go back in their packaging so everybody can get their own nice package. Oh, that is super adorable.